Hi everyone, I'm Saraswati Goyal and I've just come back from a long walk with my dog Marshall. What I've realized is that whenever I've walked him, I've got 10 different reactions from 10 different people. Some get very excited to see him, some are happy, some get filled with fear, anxiety, some are afraid, some feel like petting him, some will actually stop at a distance of 10 feet and will not move from there till he goes away. And some will actually stop their cars to pat him on the head or to have a good look at him. So who is responsible for those emotions? Is it Marshall or is it the person himself? Same goes true for Corona. Corona has given a rise to so many different emotions in different people. Some have become very, very weak. Some have become frightened. Some have got filled up with anxiety. And some have gotten very angry also. And in some people, the serving instincts have come out and they have gone to serve the society. So who actually is responsible for those emotions? Is it Corona or is it the person himself? Had it really been Corona, would not the emotion be same for everybody? So it is definitely the person who is giving rise to these different emotions, be it anger, be it happiness, be it sadness. So I, myself, am alone for any emotion that arises in me. I am responsible for my emotions, and when I come to acknowledge this, and then I become so powerful, so relaxed, so calm. And how to get control of your emotions and come out of any negative situation in 3 very simple steps. Stay tuned in for my next video for that. Stay blessed, stay happy.